Today we have a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Family Tries Outsmarting Police, Turns into Chaos.
Never fuck hoes on the cover. If I do that, then I love them. My drink over for the
Damn! She's gonna be occupied 5 times. Let's go. I might roll down the back window. Come on, okay. Roll down the window. I gotta see. My bad. All right, roll down the window. Alright, I'm talking to her. It's rolled down. Alright, the reason I pulled you over, driving around with no lights, okay?
I know, I was trying to come more.
So that's the reason for the stop. So I need to see driver's license, proof of insurance.
Damn, can I?
I'm just letting you know.
I know, sometimes it mess up. I was trying to cut it.
I got you. Where are you guys coming from?
What?
Where you guys headed to?
I was doing DoorDash.
Okay, I got you. Any reason why you didn't stop when I activated my lights?
I ain't gonna lie. I didn't know you was behind. I thought you were trying to get past me. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, because I activated my siren, did the manual horn.
Oh, see, I ain't hear the siren.
You got the music too loud, maybe? There we go.
Damn.
You got insurance?
I ain't gonna lie.
What's up?
I ain't gonna lie. I don't know where it's at. It's my dad's car.
It's your dad's car. You want to text him, maybe ask him if he's got insurance?
That's if you spot here.
Rest of Holmes. That's Henry Ocean, Lincoln, Mary Edward, Sam, First of Mary, Common, Little T Tom, BOB 081099 081099 for a female black. So you guys are just door dashing?
Yeah.
You got ID on you, man? So,
You're a passenger.
That's fine. He doesn't have a seatbelt down though.
He just took it off.
Huh?
He just took it off.
Why would you take it off?
Cause we just got. What the fuck? We just.
here's your ID. Yeah, just get the insurance for me, okay? You can.
Check the glove box.
Yeah, check.
Hey, don't move too fast, guys.
You tweaking.
Oh no, motherfucker!
Pull this over. You set. Of course, I'll fuck. Come on now.
Good, I gotta see what you guys doing, right? What you guys got going on?
Why they just walk?
Hey, didn't I just see you guys yesterday? I just saw you guys, bro.
Oh, God. Ow.
Oh, that's what it is. Cause you saw him yesterday.
I got the 10, man. I didn't see who's in here. I didn't even see they were here in the beginning.
Cause right now he's not answering his phone. He at work.
Okay. All right. Just hang tight, okay? I just gotta issue you a ticket for that. It's a simple fix, okay?
Yeah, I got
just hang tight, okay?
Where do I pay it at?
I'll explain to you in a sec, okay? Just give me a sec, okay?
Okay, I got you.
No valid Illinois driver's license. There's no valid Illinois driver's license at all.
So he doesn't have a driver's license?
No. Plus she's got no insurance. Sarge said, just like obviously, tow the vehicle. 1101 her. Carmona's on the way, and then. Hey, what's up, Sarge? Yeah.
Yeah, they know they cooked. It's over with.
Okay. All right. Go back. 27 from 61. Could you grab a terminator? So I'm gonna get her out.
Yeah, I don't want that time.
Yeah. So she's supposed to got a Floyd car, so it might be a 32.
Okay, well, we're towing the car.
Yeah,
so.
I know. She's got a Floyd car, just so you're aware. I'm gonna get her out first once Carmona gets here. Terminator's down. Alright, I'm gonna have you step out for me.
For what?
I'm gonna have you step out.
But you're not telling me for what?
Okay, I'll tell you when you get up.
But for what though?
Okay, just step out.
I'm
gonna pat you down. You got any weapons on you?
Ah, but what on for what though?
You got no valid driver's license.
So you gonna take me to jail for that?
Yes, you're gonna be placed under arrest.
You gonna take me to jail for that?
Just come here.
Oh, bro, great.
Stop,
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Don't touch me. I'm finna call my.
And now sometimes you may realize why you may see, you may think to yourself, I should say, you know what I'm saying? See, look, listen, I gotta be honest with you, man. My videos aren't scripted, man. My videos are not rehearsed. It's not, it's not the most polished thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just hit record and we go. And that's that. That's the end of it. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes things may come out messed up or whatever, not as proper, whatever. Some of these guys, they got the big studio, it's all polished and it's raw and uncut over here, man. This is it. One shot straight through. But anyway, like I was saying, the thing is that sometimes you may be thinking to yourself like, well, similar to what this person was thinking. Well, yo, let me know what's going on. You just telling me get out. Like, let me know what's happening. What's up? What's up? But sometimes cops purposely not tell you until they have you either in handcuffs or whatever the case may be, have you under control because of things like this. All right, let me pat you down. Let me boom, boom, boom. And they wasn't going to tell her. But since, they decided to, now she's resisting. Wait, hold on. Nah, you going to lock me up for that? What? When really, you could have told her that after,
My dad, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm not. You can't take me to jail for that. Don't touch me. Let's go. You don't have to touch me, Lord. I won. You don't have to. Bro, you don't have to. I won. Stop. Bro, I won. Put your hands behind your back. I know how to do it myself. Okay, then turn around. Let me go. Put your hands behind your back. I will. I know how to do it. We're not doing that. Bro, I know how to do it. I know how to do it. I just said I won. Grab her hand. Grab her hand. Bro, I just said I won. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Look, either you put your hands behind your back or you get another charge. If you let me do it myself, let's go. Let's go. Y'all forcing me. Yeah, I just said, no. Look, you're resisting right now. I just said I can do it myself. Let me go. Attention. You hurting. If you stop resisting, it won't hurt. Okay, so it's all stop moving. It's all y'all on me. Cause you're moving too much. Stop moving. You think I'm not gonna move? You hurting my fucking arm. If you stop moving, we won't hurt you. Fucking God. Come on, Lord. You hurting my fucking arm. Fuck. Let's go. Bro, let me go. Let's go. I'm not walking with you. I walk with them.
You got one in custody.
I just said I'm gonna walk with them. Look. Let me go, Lord. Let's go.
61, just information. We got a frame of a 1032 underneath.
Wow.
Looks like it has no serial.
What are you doing?
Back up.
Bro, you can tell me right now what the fuck? I ain't doing shit.
I got you. You need to back up.
You a whole man.
Wait, so this person not even a part of it. This just some random person walking by? Talking about, yeah, I'm by myself. I ain't. Damn, people don't mind their business no more, huh?
Alright, ma'am, you gotta, ma'am, I understand your kid, but you gotta back up.
No, don't let her go. No, you gotta back up right now.
I gotta back up. Don't fucking touch me. That's my fucking daughter. She's 16 years old. No, let me the fuck. Hey, let my child go. She ain't committing no crime, so y'all can let her go. You don't even know why she's under arrest. I do know why she under arrest. She ain't do shit. You weren't even out here. They was out here.
So was she.
So you can shut the fuck up talking to me.
She was out here.
I ain't gotta go no fucking way. That's my shit. They're my kids, so let them the fuck go.
33rd and Sheridan.
Y'all wanna say she ain't got insurance? The insurance is in my car. The insurance is on his phone. So y'all can unhand my car.
Listen, we're already past that point.
No, ain't no past shit. Because at the end of the day, that's my car. Y'all have to have 3 citations plus before y'all can take that fucking car. Yes, y'all do.
Yes, you do, man. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Come on, bro. Y'all know better. Come on, man. Don't tell me nothing. I know my rights, and I know all my business.
I'm not going for shit, y'all not.
Y'all can't tow it.
Don't fucking touch me. I'm not stopping shit. That's my car. Okay, well, get it towed. Don't touch me. Bro, I said don't touch. Bro, don't roll up on me, bro. Don't roll up on me, bro. That's all I'm gonna say.
Y'all know y'all can't take.
Y'all know y'all can't tow that fucking car. I don't know what the fuck y'all walking around for. That's my car.
Hey.
I'm not stepping no fucking well. Fuck all y'all.
Listen, unless you want to catch a charge too.
I'm not catching shit.
How you gonna catch a charge? The vehicle, as long as that vehicle got insurance, y'all can't
fucking touch it. Y'all know that.
If you want to take it up with the sergeant, you can't.
Okay, where's the sergeant?
She's right over there. So once she's done dealing with her stuff, she'll come over and talk to you.
Where's the white shirt?
There's no white shirts on shift right now. No. She's the shift commander.
We won't see a white shirt. We know the rules. I know the rules. My daddy a police.
Don't touch me. God, don't fucking touch me.
Why y'all
pull it? Pull it. Pull it. You busted.
Yeah, but he got an aggressive stance. We might have to get him together too, just like his daughter. Oh yeah. Cause get them together.
Don't fucking pull your gun. Do you see me armed? No. Do you see me armed? Do you see me armed?
Stop.
Do you see me armed? You reaching for your gun for what?
I was reaching for my gun.
You was. I just seen you.
Back up.
I ain't got to back no fucking well. I'm not in your circle. You ain't going no fucking well.
Long as the vehicle got insurance.
Pull them chains all y'all want to. I don't give no fuck.
Drive by the license.
No fucking well.
What's up? You was just acting all big and bad. Now you running. Why you running for? Perfect form tackle, man. Got him. Boom. What, with the combination of the taser? Oh, yeah. I thought he was standing his ground. He had his fist ready. He was, yeah. So why run?
Vehicle got insurance.
Pull them chains all y'all want to. I don't give no fuck.
Drive by the license.
No fucking well.
Oh, God damn.
Put your hands behind your back.
What is y'all arresting me for?
Put your hands behind your back.
What are the handcuffs? Because I ain't armed, y'all.
Yeah.
Nothing. So what is y'all arresting me for? What is y'all arresting me for? She didn't tell me nothing. What? All she said was, you're going to get arrested. And y'all rushing me.
You still have a mill half that resisted this custom.
Good
Resisting?
job.
I was never under arrest.
You say you're under arrest, you to go running.
Because I don't know what I'm getting arrested for, because I'm voicing how I feel. So me speaking my mind is a crime? Answer the question.
Looking for location.
Don't worry, y'all can hear from my lawyer. This ain't over with. Y'all gonna hear from my lawyer. Y'all care about my seatbelt, but y'all just trying to hurt me, bro.
Marie was charged with driving without a valid license and resisting an officer.
Look just like his dad do, huh? Mary looked just like Mary looked just like her pops.
Johnny was charged with resisting an officer as well as obstructing an officer. Seems like all of this could have been very easily avoided. Leave your thoughts in a comment below.
Can't make this shit up. Yeah, man. I love it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I love it, man. Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, man. All this stuff was unnecessary. Only one person had to get locked up. Well, and then whoever's taking that gun charge too. Look, yeah, they gotta go. But the dad just came up doing whatever. Oh man. Gotta get you together too, man. It is what it is.